Video 95 is going to look at similar shapes, moving on from congruent, where they were identical, to similar. So what does this mean? Well, it means the angles on the sides are proportionally the same. Basically, it means that it's exactly the same shape except for it's bigger or smaller. So one of the common questions that comes up with similar shapes is when we've been given the measurements to certain sides and we have to work out the length of a missing side. Now, the trick to this is that the sides are in proportion. So for instance, by here, the side that is 5 in length, 5 units in length on the smaller pentagon, whereas they're 10 on the larger pentagon, that tells me that any side on the larger pentagon will be double the size of the side on the smaller pentagon. So what I would do is I would divide the 10 by the 5, the two sides that I've got, to find out what proportion there is, and because it's 2, it means we're multiplying the smaller side by 2 or dividing the bigger side by 2 to find the other side. I then have the corresponding side to the one I'm trying to find. So in this case, the bottom side I'm trying to find, the one labelled A, and the corresponding side to it is the one labelled 8. And then we'll just simply do 8 divided by 2 is 4. The missing side is 4. And that slightly different one then. What if the bigger shape is missing? Well, I'll simply do the 6 divided by 2 principle again. So that that's telling me that any larger side, when divided by 3, gives me the smaller side, or conversely, when I multiply the smaller side by 3, it gives me the larger side. So 5 times 3 gives me 15. The corresponding side on the larger shape of this similar shape is going to be 15.